So I'm teaching you, today we are talking about the V-Flat Reflector. Okay, so where'd my camera go? I lose it every time I shoot. Essentially what this does is reflects light back into your subject. And so a lot of times people come in here and they don't use them. So this is not really being used right now. So I'm going to take a picture of you as a before. So we can see a before and after of what it will do. Okay, so turn your legs this way. Okay, no. Okay, camera's going down. Okay, we're gonna add a V-flat, and you can add the V-flat like so. So if you're shooting headshots, you can get it really close to your subject so that the light from the window is bouncing off of the reflector and back onto your subject. Okay. So, oh my gosh, it makes such a huge difference. Okay, amazing, but that's a fake smile. Oh, good. Okay, and then you can also open it up like so. Okay, that is fabulous. Okay, all right, that's essentially how you use the V-flat. There are a lot of other ways that we can use the V-flat, but we'll do that on another day.